Wait, I didn't fix it? Did I not redeploy? Um, let me see. Okay. It should update now, eventually. I must have just got sidetracked. Oh, my camera's not on. 1 second. My camera is struggling. What the heck? It froze. All right, give me 1 minute. I'm disappointed you didn't use more regex in day 4. I did I went back and did it with regex. My camera is broken. Not sure what's going on here. Okay, it works there. Deactivate. Activate. There we go. I don't know if I did it on stream, actually. I think I did it after stream. Oh, sorry, today is scuffed. Yo. Is it out? It should be out by now, right? Start 5? Here we go. We got an input. We've got print queue. Satisfied with their search on Sears, the Squadron of Scholars suggests... Oh my god. Hold on. The Squadron of Scholars suggests subsequently scanning the stationary stacks of Subbasement 17. Huh. That was written just to mess up streamers. That's what that was. The North Pole printing department is busier than ever this close to Christmas, and while the historians continue their search of this historically significant facility, an elf operating at a very familiar printer beckons you over. I like how these are all like references to past years. That's cool. The elf must recognize you because they waste no time explaining that the new sleigh launch safety manual updates won't print correctly. Still 10 seconds? Wait, what? You gotta give it time or refresh it or something. What? I don't know. I'll fix it after advent of code. Failure to update the safety manuals would be dire indeed, so you offer your services. Safety protocols clearly indicate that new pages for the safety manuals must be printed in a very specific order. The notation X pipe Y means that if both page number X and page number Y are to be produced as part of an update, page number X must be printed at some point before page number Y. The elf has for you both the page ordering rules and the pages to produce in each update, but can't figure out whether each update has the pages in the right order. The first section specifies the page ordering rules, one per line. First rule, 4753, means that if an update includes both page number 47 and page number 53, then page number 47 must be printed at some point before page number 53. Oh gosh. Okay, so we have rules, and then the second section specifies the page numbers of each update. Because most safety manuals are different, pages needed in the updates are different too. The first update means that the update consists of page numbers 75, 47, 61, 53, and 29. To get the printers going as soon as possible, start by identifying which updates are already in the right order. This is something. Okay, so we just have to write yes or no. But we have a lot of rules. So we have kind of like a dependency tree thing here. Which is interesting. So, one thing I'm curious about. Yeah, so rules can have multiple, like 53 shows up here and here and here. That seems a little bit hard. So what does this mean? 53 depends on, or no, wait. 53 has to come first. Okay, so 13 depends on 53. Okay, so we can parse the rules into dependencies. So like we would say each number will have like a list of things that it depends on. And as we go through, we keep track of the dependencies, and if any of the dependencies come after, we it's a no. I think this works. I have a plan. Let's attempt to parse the rules. So we're gonna do our classic. What am I typing? Read our line. Do. Done. There you go. It's hard to see code on your small screen. The. I mean, I can do this one. I can also just make it bigger. This one's not as fun though. What screen are you using? Are you on your phone? Okay. So this is all of our rules. First equals pog o. One. Is it this? I think it's this. You may friend it on Discord. Classic. Okay, so this is actually the second. Cool. So we can parse all of the numbers, and then we can set up our thing. So it's going to be deps. Or is it the first one? No, it's the second one, right? I think this is right so far. Now we need to parse the what's the second part called? Might as well just open this here. Updates. Parse. Update. Uh uh oh, not break. Okay. Now what? Let's do the uh split thing. I always forget. Um Splits 1, comma. Wait, that looks weird. Oh, because it printf's right here. Okay. Nice. While or no. For page in our do done. Great. Um so let's call these violations. So for each page, we want to look up the depths. Um Depths page. God. And that is unfortunately separated by spaces. Can we do will this still work? It's weird that there's two spaces here. Is that gonna be a problem? Might be. Okay. Fine. If this is not empty, God, I can't type today. Great. So we want to split this by space and then say violations plus equals R. Seems wrong. How's it going? It's pretty good. Okay, that looks more right. Maybe. Not sure exactly what I'm reading. Oh, yeah. Somebody asked me to switch to this scene. Hold on. We'll go to this one. Sorry. So we need to check if the page is in the violations. What's happening here? I'm not sure if you can do this. You might need it like this. Okay, that's looking more right. Part 2 done? Still doing part 1. I'm a noob. Right, so I need to do this after. So I go through for V in violations. If V equals page, then valid equals yes. Is that right? Uh, that looks right. They need to know the middle number of each update being printed. Okay, I didn't read that far. How the fuck do we get the middle number? um hmm. Thanks, that's really helpful. Middle number. I don't know a cool trick for that. That's irritating. There must be one. Okay. Middle. Don't need that. Middle. Split. Line. Space. Can we get the length of the array? Okay, 553. Len equals len okay. There you go. Middle, pastes, VC, number. That's the right answer. Easy. Let's hit the button. For each of the incorrectly ordered updates, use the page ordering rules to put the page numbers in the right order. Yeah, I saw this coming. I'll be honest. Pretty obvious what part 2 would be. Yeah, I saw it coming, but I still didn't plan for it. Oh. Well, we can at least easily detect the invalid ones. Like a so. No sample 2. We got an upstream connect error. Well, that's cool. It should be 123. Right now we have 143, which is fair. I'm editing part 1. Gosh dang it. Okay, we've got the opposite set. We've got the incorrect ones. Now, how do we fix them? I'm not this smart. So 97 and 75 got swapped. She's sort in some way? There's no way. Is there a way? How would that work? I don't think there's a way. Am I gonna have to implement sort? That's not what I wanted to do tonight. I wonder if there's some easy way to do it. Hold on, I'm thinking. What are the different sorting algorithms again? I mean, we could just... You just do some bubble. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, whenever we come across a rule violation, we just swap it backwards until everything's good. I mean, that's basically just implementing bubble sort, though. Chuck it to the front of the list until it converges. Do you not have to... Do you never run into a case where, like... Let me see. All right, well, it doesn't change the fact that I don't know how to swap. Where's our code? So I equals 0. The increment I. We can break this loop here. We can do pages. Equals pages I plus 1. Pages I plus 1 equals page, maybe? That's a swap. See, you'll notice some random spaces have showed up, and I don't know why. I don't know why that's happened. That's odd. Did it work though? No. Is that all it did was add random spaces? Oh no, it moved the 97 to here. Mm-hmm. No, not that. Or oh, should we be swapping the other one? What am I swapping? Which one's actually invalid here? I was thinking we push them back, but is it the other way? Because the first number will never be invalid, right? That kind of makes sense. Backward. This one is not right. Because it's not just one pass, right? What does this become instead? Page equals pages. Okay. That was no op. Do we just go back to the start after every swap? Is that cheating? Uh, I think this is subtly wrong because of this. But maybe it's not. Hold on. You just gotta do the super break, you know? Everyone knows about the super break. Classic. Okay. I mean, it's getting the right answers for the sample. So let's get rid of that and then bring back these and pray. Oh, it's got to think for a while. Okay. Please? No. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Unfortunate. Is it a loading graphic? Yeah. Just a little entertainment while we oh no, are you already done? Did I lose? Have I lost the race? Shit. What do you mean, oh no? Because I'm supposed to raid you. That's how this goes. I don't know. Maybe we don't want the super break, you know? Let's see. Do we get a different number if we don't do the super break? Maybe I don't have to use my brain. I think it's just wrong this way, but 4077? All right, we don't need to think about it. We just get the right answer and then don't think about it. Easy. Let's how did I solve it? No, it's super break, tell you that much. Didn't do that. You saw nothing. Basically by trying shit until it worked was my strategy. We initially tried swapping them forwards, but that didn't work. So I swapped them the other way and then it started working. And yeah. Oh, you actually swapped stuff? Yeah. Thank you for the raid. We just finished. You omega brute forced it? You just tried all the permutations? I didn't even look at the input, to be honest. Can I summarize what I had to do? Sure. So for part one was easy. You just, okay, so we read in the input. We've got two different functions, parse update and parse rule. When we're parsing the rules, we're just creating like a dependency list thing. So the second number depends on the first number. And it's like just a hash map. And then when we parse updates, we keep a list of violations. It starts out as just an empty list. And as we go, we take the dependencies of the number that we just parsed and put it into the violations list. And then every time we look at the next number, we go through the whole list. And if we have any violations, then we know it's an invalid update list. So that's how part one works. And then we find the middle number. That part's straightforward. For part two, we do sort of the same thing, but instead of just detecting that it's invalid, we swap the element that's breaking the rules forward in the list. So like, if we look at the sample, so I think in this one, the first violation is the 29. So we move that forward, and then it's 61, 29, 13. And then all I do, this is kind of, I don't know if you need to do this, but I just go back to the start of the array and like do another pass. And I clear my violation list. And that's it. And it seems like it worked. Your solution might be n cubed. This is probably n squared, but it's fine. It runs in 11 seconds. Not the fastest thing I've ever written. Honestly, it's probably, what would it be slow here? I don't actually know. I'm surprised you had a map instead of checking a list of pairs. I'd have been afraid to try to make a map. Why?
Fatality.
I mean, it's kind of the same, right? Just more work? Not really in Bash. Like, it's kind of the same amount of work. They're both annoying to manipulate. Do you have a map from this page must come before these pages? Yeah. So, like, each second page maps to Let me just print out what this thing looks like. Hold on. Bash print associative array. I always forget how to do this. Depths. So this is what my map looks like. You had a map to numbers dependencies, yeah. Probably the same thing. And so whenever I find a violation, I just like look up the thing, or whenever I update a page, I look up that page and just add this to my list of like problems. I would use a set, but that doesn't really, it's not really a thing. Maybe I should make a set. It'd be useful to have. But yeah. Is this Haskell? It's similar, you know? It's yeah. Basically. Why is it not working anymore? Oh. I see. Isn't a set just a dictionary without values? I mean, yes, but like it's not the nice thing about having a set is the API of the set, not like, yes, I could make one with a map, but it's just annoying. Thank you for the raid. I'm probably gonna end stream because we finished the problem and I don't know what else to do. Oh, that's still, what? You can't kill this thing? That's cool. Cool feature in our program. You know what to do? Oh, is the thing still broken? Day 5. I swear I fixed it. So I don't know. Oh, I edited the wrong thing. That would be why. Where is it? It's in utils. I searched for 10. This is great. Here. Does your solution work if there's duplicate numbers? I don't know. Did you have duplicate numbers? You're jealous of people who know how to use Xargs? What? No, but I handled it just in case. A little bit of over optimizing. It's a good program. You'll never need a for loop again. All right. I'm done. Is Alka still going?
What did you miss? I don't know. Okay, very cool. Last stream, at the end of last stream, I was building this whole
Hey
thing. this
Noxy, I
whole
was just about
project
to
right here
end.
from scratch. Apart from some of the Twitch library stuff. But I created the
You didn't see
event
Alka was up?
sub
Well, we'll go
thing,
there.
all the types of this whole thing.
See you
Pretty
tomorrow.
easy. I've done it a few times. Just a quick little event emitter or database thing. I mostly let